What's up guys, just got a blata C2 wrap I think. It needs a bit of work but it's pretty good. Runs fine. Yeah. I think it has a Banshee radiator, I'm not sure. But yeah, what I'll do is I'll just give it a quick start up now. If you'd like to leave a comment and a like, please. Also, if you know anywhere to get mods or know about these bikes, as I would like to make this quicker. As I could see, there's a 1414 carb here. It's going to be upgraded to a 19, but it's all about this engine. I'm not sure if it's the same as a B1 or a C1. Could you just let us know, please? Thanks.